Hey, today I'm working on this old table here. It's got some problems with the finish here. You can see it's an old walnut table. And so I'm going to try to just sand it down, just the top here, and see if I can refinish it. I'm going to use an orbital sander here with a 120 grit. We'll see how that goes. I'm going to be using this Amber Shellac here. And it dries pretty quick. And you don't want to shake it, you want to stir it, so you don't impart any bubbles into it. Putting the final coat of Amber Shellac on the tabletop. I moved it inside because it was starting to get kind of cold out there. I've got one more coat to put on here. And this shellac is like a lot of other finishes. It's best to have a wet brush to brush into the finish you're working on. You can feel when it's not right, the brush will start to drag. And that's when you know you need to put some more on your brush. When it goes from just gliding to dragging, that's when you know something's wrong. And once this is fully dried, I can sand it down with some very fine sandpaper or even steel wool if I need to. But the shellac will let you know what it needs. You can feel it. So when the brush goes down on the surface, it needs to be wet. Here you go. We'll let that dry and see how that works out.